Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the VCOPTER Falcon Mini 4K camera drone. I've spent time combing through online reviews, spec breakdowns, user feedback, and real-world impressions so you can know whether this compact yet feature-packed drone is worth your money or just another camera drone with flashy specs. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the first thing that grabs attention is the 4K camera. For a drone that weighs just 249 grams, being able to record ultra-sharp, vibrant video is a really strong advantage. People online consistently point out that this makes it easy to capture travel footage, scenic landscapes, or action shots without needing a separate action camera. Whether you're shooting slow-panning cinematic clips or fast-moving subjects, the footage quality feels clean, detailed, and rich, especially when you compare it with other drones in this weight class that often stick to 1080p or shaky video. The mini bi-copter design is another feature that stands out. Most consumer drones use a traditional quad setup, but this bi-copter architecture gives the Falcon Mini a unique flight feel and excellent maneuverability. Users who have flown it mention how responsive it feels in the air, almost like a sport drone, while still being stable enough for capturing smooth shots. It's the kind of design that makes flying fun whether you're a beginner pilot or someone who's logged hours on bigger rigs. One of the coolest aspects people talk about is the inverted flight capability. This means the drone can fly upside down, not just flip in a choreographed stunt, but maintain stable flight and still capture usable footage or creative angles. That's a feature you usually see in more advanced FPV, first-person view, drones or racing drones, not in a camera-centric model aimed at adults who want both performance and video quality. When you mix that with a max speed of 16 meters per second, the Falcon Mini feels thrilling to pilot. It's fast enough to keep up with bikes, boats, or action sports, and it doesn't feel sluggish against the wind. Another thing users consistently praise is the long-range video transmission system. With up to 10,000 feet of transmission range, this drone gives you a lot more freedom to explore vast spaces without losing signal or video feed, a big deal if you're capturing wide scenic shots in open areas, beaches, parks, or rural landscapes. In practice, many owners say the connection feels reliable with minimal interruptions or latency, which really helps when you're trying to frame shots precisely from a distance or fly behind hills and obstacles. Battery life is another area where this drone impresses. With one battery offering up to 34 minutes of flight time, you get way more airtime than a typical mini drone. Most compact drones hover around 20 to 25 minutes per battery, so 34 minutes of flight is a noticeable advantage. That means more time exploring, capturing footage, and experimenting with angles before you need to land and recharge or swap batteries. Portability is also a big strength. At only 249 grams, this drone falls under many regulatory weight limits in various regions, which means no special registration in places where lighter drones are exempt, and it's easy to travel with, pack in a backpack, or take on hikes. You don't have to lug around a heavy case or worry about airline weight limits for gear. So, should you buy the VCOPTER Falcon Mini 4K camera drone? After looking through the internet, including user impressions, expert breakdowns, and real-world performance feedback, I would suggest yes if you want a highly capable, feature-rich drone that balances great video quality, fun flying performance, long-range transmission, and good flight time in a lightweight, portable package. It's especially worth it if you like both creative videography and adventurous flying. The inverted flight capability and bi-copter design make it feel more engaging than a basic camera drone, yet it still delivers crisp 4K footage you'll be proud to share. Overall, the VCOPTER Falcon Mini is a fun, powerful, and versatile drone that punches above its weight. Definitely worth considering if you're ready to take your aerial shots and flight experience to the next level.